Hi, my name is Andy Argiancia. I am a student of Jabal Ghafur University. Today, I'll explain to you how to install Windows 10 using USB flash disk. It's very easy for you if you follow step by step. Alright, let's begin. What are the steps we need to take? So, first is planning. Second, preparation of tools. Third, make the flash drive as bootable. Fourth, BIOS settings. Fifth, installation process. And last, install additional apps. In installing Windows, it is necessary for us to plan in advance, so that the results we want are appropriate. First, check operating system should be installed and computer specifications. Second, check the base of our computer system supports 32-bit or 64-bit systems. Third, check the hard drive partition for misplacement of the operating system. And last, backup files the C drive partition to another drive partition. If the base processor is x64, then we can install Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. But, if the base processor is x32 or x86, then we have to install 32-bit Windows only. In addition to the base processor, see also the installed RAM capacity. This table is the limit of RAM that is read by the processor on the Windows operating system. If the RAM we have is less than 4 GB, so it is recommended to you to install Windows with a 32-bit system only. So what tools and materials are needed? First, of course, the computer. Second, a USB flash drive with a minimum capacity of 6 GB. Third, Windows 10 ISO master file. And the last one is the Rufus software. First of all, install the Rufus application, just like installing a regular application. Insert the flash drive into your computer. Find the location of the Windows 10 ISO file, then select Open. Then click Start, then OK. Wait until the copying process is complete. It may take a few minutes. If it's done, then click Finish. Now, we will go into the BIOS system. Please, restart the computer. When the monitor screen is black and there is white writing, press the BIOS button, F2 or L. Every computer has a different BIOS. Now, we have entered the BIOS system. Change the boot priority order, so that the flash is read first by the computer. Please, press the left or right button to go to the boot menu. On the boot menu, change the boot order of the flash disk priority to the top one. Press the up or down button to select the device. Press the minus or plus button to scroll the device. Save the configuration in the exit menu. Then, select Exit Saving Changes in the Setup Confirmation message. Then select Yes. Don't forget to return the priority boot settings back to their original state after the Windows installation process is complete. When the monitor screen is black and it says, press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Press any key to start the installation process. If you are faced with a screen like this in the middle of the installation process, do not press any button, because you will be taken back to the initial installation process if you do. Now we go to the time and currency settings. Select Indonesian in the time and currency format. Leave the default for everything else. Then click Next. Select Install Now. Now we go to Windows activation. Fill in the serial number for Windows activation. If you don't have it, then click I don't have a product key. Then click Next. Select the version of Windows 10. Then click Next. In the next menu, check I accept the license terms. Then click Next. On the installation type menu, choose Custom Install Windows Only or Advanced. On the partition menu, select the partition you want to format. Click Delete, and then click OK. Select System Reserved. Click Delete, and then click OK. The installation process has been running. This process takes 20 to 30 minutes. The process runs automatically, just let it run as it is. Please don't press or click anything. Windows copy process has been completed. On the next menu, select the Indonesian region. Click Yes. Select the US keyboard type. Then click Yes. On the next menu, second keyboard layout, select Skip. Select Setup for personal use. Then click Next. The next step is on the Account Settings menu. Click Offline Account. Click Next. Then click No. In the Account and Password settings, give your computer a name. Then click Next. Give a password for your computer, then click Next. You don't want a password, just press Next. Now we go to the privacy settings. In the activity history, select No. Change privacy to No of all. Then click Accept. Finally, Windows 10 installation process has been completed, but not completely finished. There are several more stages for the computer to be used properly. For the computer is fully usable, then we need to install several applications like a Windows driver, Windows Activator, antivirus, browser applications, video players, music players, and others. That's how to install Windows 10 using a USB flash disk. Hope it helps you. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.